Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Welcome to this presentation. I am Alia Maulana Putri and I'm pleased to be here today to discuss a very important topic in our academic lives. Burnout in students is not something to be taken lightly. Let's look at it together. So we are here to talk about burnout, what it is, how it affects students, and ways to manage it. Recognizing burnout early is important so students can stay healthy, happy, and successful in their studies. So, guys, let's start by asking why is this topic important? Many students face stress from academics, finance, and personal expectations. Without proper management, stress can lead to burnout. And our goal today is to help students understand burnout and find ways to overcome it for a better future. So, let's talk about what is burnout. Guys, let's begin by understanding what burnout actually is. You might think it's just about being tired, but there's more to it. Burnout is a condition that affects your physical, emotional, and mental well-being due to prolonged stress. So, when students experience constant pressure, they may feel drained and lost their motivation. This often comes from juggling too many responsibilities without enough time to rest. And burnout can be dangerous if ignored, as it might lead to serious mental and physical health problems. And the next is burnout among students, latest trend. Now, let's look at some data to understand how common burnout has become among students. A survey conducted by the Ohio State University during the COVID-19 pandemic revealed a sharp increase in burnout among college students. The survey shows that in August 2020, 40% of students reported feeling burnt out. By April 2021, this number had jumped to 71%. The statistics highlight the importance of addressing burnout early, especially during times of uncertainty or change. And next is signs of burnout in students. It's important to recognize the signs of burnout before it becomes overwhelming. So let's explore some of the common warning signs that students might experience. According to the World Health Organization (WHO) and OSU Wellness Resources, the signs of burnout include emotional exhaustion, 40%. Think about feeling tired all the time, even when you haven't done much physical work. This is one of the first signs of burnout. And second one is mental distancing or cynicism, 30%. Students might start to feel uninterested or negative about their tasks, which can make them disengaged from their responsibilities. And the third one is decline in academic effectiveness, 20%. If you notice a drop in grades or performance, it could be because burnout is affecting focus and productivity. And the last one is difficulty concentrating, 10%. Finding it hard to concentrate on tasks, even simple ones, is another clear sign of burnout. And the next slide is causes of burnout among students. Burnout doesn't happen overnight. It builds up due to various factors. Let's explore the common causes of burnout among students. So the first one is academic pressure. It's about 30%. The need to meet high expectations and tight deadlines often leaves students feeling stressed and overwhelmed. And second one is financial stress. It's about 20%. Worrying about tuition fees and living costs can add to students' mental load. And the third one is lack of work-life balance. It's about 15%. Many students focus too much on academics and neglect their needs for rest and leisure. And the fourth is poor time management, is about 15%. And the fifth one is social isolation, is about 10%. Feeling alone without support from family or friends can worsen the effects of stress. And the last one is unrealistic expectation, is about 10%. Setting goals that are too high can create unnecessary pressure and feelings of failure. And the next slide is impact of burnout. Burnout doesn't just affect how students feel, it also impacts their performance and overall well-being. Let's take a closer look at how burnout can affect different areas of a student's life. So, the first one is decreased academic performance. When students are burned out, it's harder for them to stay motivated and achieve their goals. And second one is mental health challenges. Anxiety, depression, and lack of interest are common mental health problems caused by burnout. And the next is physical health problems. Burnout can lead to physical symptoms like headache, fatigue, or sleep disorders. The next one is social withdrawal. Students might avoid social interactions because they feel too drained to connect with others. And the last one is risk of dropping out. In several cases, students may leave school altogether because they feel unable to cope. And the next slide is solutions for managing burnout. The good news is that burnout can be managed with the right strategies. Let's explore why students can reduce and prevent burnout. The first one is priorities rest and recovery. You can start by making sleep a priority. Aim for 7 until 9 hours of sleep each night and take regular breaks during study sessions. And the second one is improve time management. Use a planner to organize your tasks and ensure you set aside time for relaxation. The third one is seek social support. Talk to friends, family, or counselors to share your feelings and seek advice. And the last one is the fourth one is about practice mindfulness and stress reduction. Activities like meditation or yoga can help calm your mind and lower stress levels. And cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT. If burnout feels overwhelming, a therapist can teach you ways to manage stress. And the last one is engage in hobbies and activities. Spend time doing things you enjoy to refresh your mind and bring balance to your life. And the next slide is practical steps for managing burnout. So here are some small practical steps students can take every day to manage burnout effectively. The first one is set boundaries. Learn to say no when you feel overwhelmed. Focus on your priorities and avoid taking on too much work. Next is take breaks from screens. Make it a habit to take short breaks from digital devices every hour. This helps reduce eye strain and mental fatigue. And the next is engage in physical activity. Even light exercises like walking or stretching can boost your mood and energy levels. And the fourth one is spend time on hobbies. Find time for activities that make you happy, like painting, reading, or playing music. And the last one is reach out for support. Don't hesitate to talk to someone you trust when you are feeling stressed or stuck. And the next slide is conclusion. So to wrap up, let's review the key points we have discussed about burnout. Burnout is a serious issue, but by recognizing its signs and taking action early, students can manage stress and improve their well-being. With the right support and strategies, students can achieve a healthy balance between academics and personal life. So, thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has helped you better understand burnout and how to manage it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.